Greetings everybody, this is Derek Marshall, and for this presentation I will be covering Google Slide. In this lesson we will go over the objective, prerequisite, what is Google Drive, what is Google Slide, then we will begin the lesson to create, edit, and share a Google Slide. And of course I will provide a link for some extra help. The objective for this lesson is after this lesson, you will be able to create and share a Google presentation. How exciting. A couple of prerequisites that you need to have in order to start using Google Slide is obviously an email account and a Google Drive account. You can use any email, it doesn't have to be a Gmail or anything like that. So I provided the link here. It is pretty long, but if you can't get to the link, just Google Drive and it'll get you right there. Easy to do. Now you might be asking yourself, what is Google Drive? And it's an online cloud storage. It's free up to 15 gig. If you want to exceed 15, you will have to pay. It works well with other Google apps, Gmail, Photos, that kind of stuff. It's used for storing files, pics, videos, PDFs, anything that you can about imagine. You can save it on your Google Drive. Mainly, it's there to create and collaborate. Additionally, you can create forms and drawings. With the forms, you can do surveys and stuff like that. So you can see how helpful this would be for an instructor to, either yourself create a presentation and save it to Google Drive, or a form, a drawing, and then share it out to the classroom, or you can have your students do the exact same and collaborate on an assignment together with them. And of course, connect with a mobile device. You can connect to Google Drive and download them onto your mobile device and work offline. And once you're back online, you can sync it right back up to the cloud. Now, what is Google Slide? It's Google's interpretation of a PowerPoint, like a Microsoft PowerPoint. It's not as powerful as Microsoft PowerPoint, but it gets the job done. Used for presentations, you can embed various media into the presentation, videos, sound bits, pretty much anything that you can in PowerPoint you can do in Google Slide to a point. And like I said before, you can access it from any online mobile device. Now the lesson is 3 easy steps: create a slide, edit slide, and share a slide. So let's begin. Like I said before, if you need any more tutorials or help, just go to this link right here, and it's a great site to find out a little bit more about all of Google's apps that you can use. Now I'm sharing out my desktop here with you. I am online. I am in my Google Drive account right now. Here was the slideshow presentation that I showed you. It was done in Google Slide. So here's your drive. It may not look the exact same as mine because I do have a presentation here, and yours will probably be empty on the first go around. But on the left-hand side here is just your little navigation bar. Drive. You can share stuff. Google Photos. It syncs a lot. It syncs well with other Google app devices. But just for this lesson, we were just going to go over how to create a slide, a Google Slide. So we're going to click the new button here, and we're going to pick Google Slides. And if you notice, it does look a lot like PowerPoint to a point. First thing off the bat, you can pick your theme. It's got a lot of nice little themes here, or you can even import a theme if you want to. I'm going to do the wave theme here. And click OK. Alright, now let's begin here. First thing you want to do is actually title it, so that way you know what it is. I'm just going to label it test here. Now the good thing about Google Slide and any other type of Google app like Google Docs or their little Excel program that they have it saves automatically. I think it's every 4 or 5 seconds it will automatically save, so you will not find a save button up here. So on the toolbar button here, you have a whole madrid of things that you can do, that you can edit with the slide. There's your print function. All you have to do is hover over them, and it'll give you an explanation of actually what it is. Undo, redo, those are my favorite ones there. And these ones aren't highlighted yet because you have to click onto onto the document itself. See now that it's highlighted. Paint format. Lots of stuff you can do. Your fonts, your font sizes, bold, italic, underline. There's just a whole bunch you can do in here. Now we will give it a title here. Okay, and of course you want to claim your presentation. There we go, pretty easy. Now all you have to do is just start adding your slide deck or building your slide deck. So you can either click on the new to add another slide in that exact same theme, or you can right click and duplicate slide, and it'll actually duplicate the slide. So very easy to use, very user friendly. So now that you got that down, and I'm sure you'll go through there and start doing your presentation. Just get familiar with the toolbar here, with the lots of little options that you can do, inserting images and stuff like that. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to share the document. That way you can create it yourself and present it to your class, or you can have your students create their own and collaborate with each other back and forth. So it's easy as actually hitting the share button here. If we'll click, there we go. Now you can enter someone's email address there, or you can just simply do the get shareable link, which will actually give you the link, and you can copy and paste that into whatever format you want to for delivery. You can set the edit functions onto with the link, so anybody with the link can edit, can comment, or can view. So pretty easy. Well, that concludes my presentation. Thanks for listening.